ki khubor ka bate si TV. Lawan Rashapi taka Frank Motors. Booking open for the new Nexon. Visit Frank Motors or call 7045207973.
Menteri rang baka jela Conrad ke sangma ulaong baka sorkar kala Pynshai la bunsin. Ya Kajuh si Kajuh Halor ka Jingïakhih no ya ki laingut ki officer jong ka loka yukta. Ya ka baka seng Voice of the People Party ka yaki bandawa ban tungkam biang yaki. Ulaong balada tungkam daki officer ki bala syongtai ka sorkar kan haban pelut tam ya kepisaban siu tulap yaki. Henrei lada tungpat daki officer ki badang don hakakam. Ka sorkar kan light na ka jing siu tam. Ulaong baka jing tungkam mensua ka day ka basuya penbet sipor. Ka sorkar menta kan haban yait kat kum ki kendon. Ulaong bawat la ka sorkar kala dep ban Pynshai ya Kajuh si Kajuh ru. Henrei lada dangdon ki bakwa Jingïakhih. Ukloi ban ya keren pensngutuk biang yano lada ki wan ban pan Jingïakhih.
Just many times. The provisions under which the person earlier, the director of inquiries was appointed, the rules were not followed in the sense that it was a temporary arrangement because we needed to immediately start the work. We had, in the sense, some shortage of officials working because it has to be an officer of a secretary level and above. And hence, we had a bit of an issue in the sense we had shortage of officers. So we decided at that point in time that we will, as a temporary arrangement, go for a retired officer, which is not as per the rules. And hence, to rectify that and to make it regularize that, we have followed the rules which says that it has to be an officer of the rank of a secretary. Number 2 point is that when we appoint a person who is retired, then government takes additional expenditure. If it's a serving officer, there is no expenditure because he or she gets a salary. But additional retired person means we have to spend from our own side. And hence, it was in the interest of the rules to be followed and in the interest of the expenditure for the state that this post be regularized. We were working on it to regularize it very much before this, but then later on, it took us about a year and a half almost, but we have regularized the process. So this is purely as per the rules and procedures that we do follow.
Will you meet political parties?
See, we are very open. Whoever is there, if anybody wants to meet, they can come.